Antioxidant. Reduces depression and anxiety. Good for our skin, good for hair, good for bones, good for memory. Can also be added to or sprinkled on smoothies, yogurt, fruit, salads, soups, cereals, bread, cakes, energy bars, stir fries, etc. Rich in vitamins, minerals, pumpkin is incredibly healthy. Boost your immune system. Pumpkins offer vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and folate. Pumpkin has excellent diuretic and cooling qualities. Pumpkin seeds are low in carbs, but high in fat, making them an ideal snack for people who follow low-carb or plant-based diets. Highly nutritious and particularly rich in vitamin A. It's high in potassium, vitamin C, and fiber, which have been linked to heart benefits. Very high in magnesium. Improved prostate and bladder health. It's only for general knowledge. For more informative videos, please subscribe.